This bucket moves over 100 tons in a single pass. It's the muscle of the Liebherr R 9800, and it operates 24 hours a day. To withstand these conditions, the steel must be incredibly thick. Notice the deep weld seams and the reinforcement ribs. This is pure heavy-duty engineering at its finest. To understand the scale of this machine, just look at the size of its massive bucket. This is the Liebherr R 9800. Welcome to the heart of the manufacturing facility. Here, massive steel plates are transformed into heavy machinery. Precision is absolutely critical here. Every measurement is checked against precise engineering drawings. There is no room for error. Now, the heavy plate moves to the cutting table. Here, a powerful CNC plasma arc cuts directly through the thick steel. This massive steel component is now ready for forming. It is transported to a gigantic hydraulic press. Now, all massive components come together here. Cranes position the heavy steel with perfect precision. Temporary clamps hold everything in place for welding. Permanently joining these massive components is a job for highly skilled welders. Several welders work simultaneously around this enormous structure. These heavy-duty rock teeth are forged for extreme conditions. Precision CNC machining creates their reinforced geometry. Now, these finished rock teeth are installed along the cutting edge. A massive locking pin secures each tooth. This massive bucket is almost complete. Final grinding and inspection ensure every weld meets the highest standards. Each joint is carefully checked before the final coating. Now, this colossal structure is complete. Now we enter the final stages of production. Abrasive blasting removes all surface contaminants. Next, the bucket enters the... Precision is non-negotiable at this scale.